Night is quiet, heavy with regret. Trees the Lord's will, oh how hard it meant. Shadow falls across the empty floor. A ghost that lingers, knocking at my door. The silence whispers secrets I can't hide. The fragile truth that tears me up inside. And still I walk beneath the sunburst red. I'm reaching out, but you are far away. The echo sounds the words I try to say. My heart still burns, although the pain is gone. I sing your name, but no one's been alone. The stars keep falling, levels through my hands. And dream of love, broken hearts understand. Yet in the dark, only more it remains. A fragile flame, nothing can contain. The downs are walking, but it feels the same. A hollow morning, nothing to repair. The road inside pieces through the hills. Extended memory I can't erase. The world keeps moving, but I stand behind. Prisoner to the echoes in my mind. And still I wait for something never knew. I'm reaching out, but you are far away. The echo sounds the words I try to say. My heart still burns, although the pain is gone. I sing your name, but no one stand alone. The stars keep falling, levels through my hands. You do love, but you must understand. Yet in the dark, only more it remains. Fragile flame, nothing can contain. It's time to kiss the stars that never fade. And trade is all for one more sense with me. But in this world, your shadow take their hold. You live with silence and my heart's being cold. The song you're singing keep me home, luring me forward, but still I remain. A voice unbroken, racing through the pain. And it's the silence that speaks the sound. Forevermore I whisper out tonight. To come next to the presence of my soul. Your things still burn. in you.